Welcome back to the program. I've got a quick DIY doggy craft for you. This is Rosie, and she is wearing a doggy deodorizing flea repellent bandana. It's very easy to make, and I know it keeps all the fleas away from Rosie. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. The items that you'll need are a bowl, some water, baking soda, tea tree oil, a spoon, and of course your doggy bandana. The first thing that you're going to do is to pour your water into the bowl. Now you're going to put about 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is a wonderful ingredient because it neutralizes odor. So just go ahead and put 4 tablespoons. The other ingredient that we're using today is tea tree oil. Now, tea tree oil is a wonderful essential oil, but you want to be careful when you're using it around your pets because it's very potent. You want to make sure that you're using the correct amount. So if you're making your bandana for a very small dog, you only want about 1 small drop. Medium-sized dog, 2 to 3. A large dog, about 4 to 6. So today I'm going to put probably about 2 to 3 drops for Rosie. Very minimal, but that is going to deter the fleas. They don't like the smell of it, and they'll definitely keep away from your dog's collar. The last thing you're going to do is take your bandana and soak it in the bowl for about 5 minutes, allowing the baking soda and the tea tree oil to really soak into the bandana. Now, if your dog suffers from itchy skin, you may want to go ahead and give them an oatmeal bath. Oatmeal is very soothing for the skin. Just take some oatmeal, grind it up in your food processor, put it in some warm water, and allow your dog to soak in it. If your dog has dry skin where it's starting to crack, you may want to consider putting some vitamin E oil on the area. It's safe, it's natural, and it will really heal the sores that your dog has. All right, that looks about ready. So all you need to do is take your bandana, wring it out, air dry it, and put it on your 4-legged friend. For other great doggy ideas, go to our website, athomewithdidiayer.com.
Are you a crafter on the hunt for your next project? We've got tons of quick and simple ideas for you to try. Just visit athomewithdidiayer.com. You'll find tons of creative projects from my craft room, along with step-by-step tutorials, guest crafters, and 5-minute DIYs. The ideas are as endless as your imagination when you visit athomewithdidiayer.com.